Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This lovely home is located just 15 minutes from Montego Bay Town Center and 5 minutes away from Ironshore in the community of Norwood Penn. Situated right in the middle, offering quick access to all major amenities such as schools, medical facilities, shopping, banking, etc. in all directions. It's a great space for a first-time buyer and or an excellent investment property as well. This home has a very functional layout which allows a great flow. The land area of this house is 4,037 square feet, and some other features of this house includes 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, ceramic tile, grill, central location, low maintenance yard, road paved, level lot, and pets are allowed in this community. The asking price for this house is only Jamaican 15 million or US $97,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.